Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to create a company page on LinkedIn. So, LinkedIn being one of the most popular platforms for all sorts of professional and business communication and encounters, it just makes sense that you create your own company page on LinkedIn, which adds a lot of professionalism to your company profile, right? So, what you need to do is you just need to click on this work icon at the top right of your screen, and it will just open these options for you. Just scroll down till you come to this very last option, create a company page. Just click on it. Okay, so now you've got a few options to select your company from amongst these. If you have a small business which is fewer than 200 employees, you choose this. Similarly, you could choose a medium to large business in this way, or you could make a showcase page which is associated with an existing company or an existing organization. Or if you're operating a school or a university, you would just choose this. So if you have a small business, say fewer than 200 employees, you just select this option, and then you have to add all the details. So let's just browse through those quickly. You have to add the name of the company. Let's say this is what I name it, and just add the URL to your website. You can just add your company industries, which, let's say, if it's about information technology, this is what I choose. Company size, once again, it depends on how many people are in there, and the type of company. So if it is a partnership, if it is non-profit, just depends on what you feel your company is about. And then you add the company logo. Just click on choose file, and you could, of course, browse through your desktop, your computer, for any sort of pictures. Just select the logo, and then you could add the tagline, which could be anything which is in line with your company's missions, right? So let's say this is just a very random sort of tagline. Just think of anything which showcases your professionalism, and then you would just click on this option. I verify that I'm an authorized representative of this organization, and then you would just click on create page. Okay, so now since I do not need to create it right now, I was just demonstrating, so I'm not clicking on create page. But all you need to do is you just need to click on this, and there your page is just created. And then, of course, you could invite your contacts to view it, and you could add it on your own profile. And yes, it adds a lot of professionalism, and yes, it's very necessary to have a proper LinkedIn presence in today's world. So that's how you create a company page on LinkedIn.